Okay. Wow, look at that Friday mood. Jesus. Okay, so welcome everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Gonna make sure get everything here sorted. Yeah, brand new week. Let me do this. There we go. Oh wow, it's USD Bank Holiday. I did not do that. Okay, so USD Bank Holiday, so much slower volume in the US session then. So yeah, I probably won't do US today because of the fact that it is a US Bank Holiday, but we'll do London. Okay, so first things first, let's take a look at the weekly. How did the weekly close? Yeah, it closed a little bit bearish, a bit of rejection, started to find some resistance on GJ. In terms of right now, we tend to have so I'm going to write these on the daily. Tend to have a daily support right here, which you keep on respecting around these areas there. We are having obviously resistance at these highs all around these levels, and then obviously right here we have the daily flip, which is there, right there. Okay, 4 hour time frame. We have pushed off the support again, started to come back up. Oh my god, sorry. So yeah, 4 hour time frame over here. Okay, so starting to push up. This has got no lower wick right now, starting to come towards some resistance areas. It looks like already on the 4 hour, realistically, the big pushes come when you get above here. Oh my god, sorry. God. So realistically, yeah, closure above 184. There would be 184,600 would be quite nice. Looks to continue. Would be very nice. Let's take a look at the lower time frame. So you can start to write some more stuff on here, maybe on the 30-minute now. So you can see that we do have a support down here. Yeah, like 186,599. We can start to look on the lower time frame, see how that looks. Right now, obviously, we have, resistances. I said all 600. Yeah, above like 600 tends to be 700 when we tend to be pushing off. If you look on the Asian session, you can see that we actually just retraced, which is quite nice. So yeah, obviously now we are at a, in the middle of kind of a zone here. Let me just keep this there. And I think, the easiest thing for us to do is wait for closure above 186,647. And that would be, to push all the way back up to, these resistances here, 185,250. Okay, how does that look in the hourly? Yeah, we push it very, very quickly. So actually, like above 640 there, really, really nice clean buys. And then again, we have a lot of issues for sells. I'd say the easiest level to maybe look for sells is below Asian session lows, like here. Closure below me 183,900, then drive to 183,500. Let's look on the 15. Let me just make that a little bit easier. Yeah. $183,946. Let's take a look on the left hand side. How does this look? Yeah, we drive down quite quickly, back down to them big levels. Yeah, it's good. Good. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm going to look at in GJ. It looks pretty simple. Very, very nice. And yeah, gold obviously US, so I'm not really too asked about gold either today, to be honest, but we could take a look. We could mark it out. So let's take a look at the weekly. So weekly close bullish. Realistically, this weekly candle should just push to 1962. That looks pretty reasonable, right? Because again, we've closed, above into this zone here, so we should fill this zone now. This, and then, we get some wicks or whatever. So that looks good, obviously. So it is bullish. Still look at the daily then. So daily has just pushed off straight away. Again though, look where it's pushed off. You actually look on the left hand side. Support, 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 support. So we just held it pretty nicely. 1940 is a major level, and we just bounced off it. It's all good. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, starting to come towards some resistances now. 45 here. You can see to the left resistance before. There's a fake out, so could be potential issues there for buyers right now. Let's take a look on the hourly and the 30. So yeah, I mean on the hourly and the 30. This is the main resistance here, 1947 that we're playing with. So you can see we are just kind of playing in a box here. I'd say all the way from there to there, to be honest. Again, now obviously sells below 1934 would be great to go and fill. Back down, go retest 1925. That'd be beautiful. Continue down to then go and retest either here and then continue further maybe into the zone. So yeah, that would be great. And then obviously in terms of buys, you gotta maybe look more to the left hand side and see how we look. Yeah, so 45, if you get actually above 45, you can see here, we actually do potentially push to the next zone, which would be up here, right? Because again, if you break out from 45, where do you go? Well, we push 52, push down 52, push down from 52, 53. So realistically, that looks pretty nice. If you go to the right hand side, how does this look now? Yeah, I mean, so I think, yeah, potentially a closure of 47 would make a little bit more sense. To then go and refill. Look at this. So look on, if you look on Friday, look where we pushed to. My line I just drew before. Okay, tapped 53 and then noted back down. So yeah, I mean, a closure above 47 I think would be reasonable. Let's take a look at the 15 if there's any. Yeah, a little bit higher up now. So like there, it's like 48. There we go. And there we go. Pretty simple today. Yeah, I like GG actually. I like how the zones above are nice and zones below are nice. So it looks good. So yeah, how was your guys' weekend, man? So I was reading a lot of stuff on that MFF stuff. It's interesting one. I read the bit where they said like slip them to hell. I was like, oh my god, they're ruthless. They're saying like some guy's gonna get like 140 grand payout. It's like Jesus. So yeah, pretty simple now. We got exactly where we want to look, and now we kind of just wait. I watched the football on the weekend. Watched the Newcastle and the Man United one. Liverpool on fire. Where are actually Liverpool on the table? Oh, they're third. Wow. It's looking juicy already. Newcastle are not nowhere near at the moment. Damn. Even West Ham as well. Not bad, not bad. So yeah. Yeah, the MFF I was watching, I think it was Lindsay that was doing it on his. But yeah, it looks very, very interesting, eh? Doesn't look like you're going to get it back anytime soon. City 1 United lost was not bad. Oh.
That is such disappointment. Sonoda pulls off before we'd even taken the lights, and surely we will have to send them round again.
Failure, HG failure.
Copy.
Engine fail on the first day.
That is the sound of your Grand Prix ending before you'd even formed up on the grid. Here come the 5 red lights in Monza, and the Italian Grand Prix is go with a good reaction time for one Ferrari. Make that two Ferraris. Max Verstappen is breaking out of the slipstream. He's going to contend with Charles Leclerc and Carlos Sainz down to turn one. Sainz is...
You actually won this thing.
Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen wins 10 Grand Prix in a row to take the all-time record. And the Ferraris are scrapping all the way to the line.
Wowza, wowza, wowza. MFF is gone? Yeah, man. Yeah, I was reading like the contract stuff and it was but it is what it is. This is the thing, right? I always knew that though. Like if you know what the business model is, they're not going to be happy when you're taking payouts, especially when they're huge payouts. Like, but it is a shame. But again, that's why I've always said it's all well and good the fundeds, but again, it's not in favour. Whereas a broker, that's a reasonable one, actually wants you to trade more. They want you to win more, right? Because if you think about it, if you win more, the commissions go up and all that kind of stuff. So I think it was people with trading bots getting the massive payouts. Well, yeah, but they're still making the money. It doesn't matter if they're using a bot or not. And how do they know it's making a bot? How do they have that proof? Like, it's interesting. But yeah, it's just such a shame, man. The industry sucks balls. It always has, so just gotta be careful. Best thing to do is just put it into a live account. Ooh. Hello, Andrea. I hope you're doing well. You having a good weekend? Looks like the weather's getting better here now. FTMO should be chilling because they get their server quotes from a third party, so they don't have a control of the liquidity and spread, so aren't operating as a broker. Interesting. Yeah, and they're not linked with the US and that, innit? US and Canada seem to be having the issues. They banned all traders in Vietnam with many unrelated reasons. Oh, Andrea's been out. Oh, you feel a bit rough today. Well, you're lucky today, to be fair, because it's US bank holiday, so it'll be pretty quiet for the rest of the day, really. Yeah, what bank holiday is it? What thing are they talking about? Labor Day. FTMO is giving a lot of reasons for cancelling the withdrawals. I don't know, man. It's wild. Wild, wild, wild. Haha, watch that gold bridge, he's fucking fuming.
Hello everybody, good afternoon and welcome to Wide to Rashford. This week by Ten Hag. What a bit of play by Rasmus and Bruno. He's fucking miles on. He's what? He's miles. Wow.
He's miles on.
Oh, get out! Why has Declan Rice got so much space? There's got to be a fucking foul. There has to be a foul. You foul. Are we not complaining? Why have we allowed that to happen? Just slipping over fire and jokes. Away. Oh, fuck off. Josh, go away. Go away. Go away. Get out.
Fuck off.
Absolutely jokes. That defence with Johnny Evans and Harry Maguire in it is like, it's fucking all over the place. It's like a couple of dogs trying to shag on wearing ice skates. Bloody.
Where's that analogy came from? What the fuck? A dog trying to shag on ice skates. My god. It's great. What a nice way to start the week. Oh, have you guys seen the new Tesla, the new Model 3? I think it looks so much better. My god, look at it. It looks so much better. Right. I think he's kind of already done it on a different video, actually. Oh yeah, and the back seat's got a tablet in it. Yeah.
So, watch YouTube movies.
That's
and play.
sick. I'm trying to find a video. I think he's in it on before.
What will win?
Yeah, it looks much better.
Was efficiency.
And the lights look so much nicer.
To the light, they're now slimmer and sleeker than before, and have more prominent LED daytime running
I
light.
think that the back one looks good as well. Mercedes EQS, yeah, I've seen them. I don't really see many of them though, to be honest.
Sancho is hit back at Ten Hag about his comments after the game against Arsenal. After the game, Ten Hag was asked why was Sancho not in the squad with him.
Let me actually add the 50% on. Yeah, that's a big move. Holy shit, that's like a 60 pip move in Asian. But again, it is just bouncing off that support. 1940 is a huge level. It's been like that for a while. Yeah, we're still at that level, eh? But we seem to be holding it, eh? Can you see? Yeah. Still squeezing it. Squeezing it. Caitlin's starting her training contract today, so that'll be very interesting for her. Exciting. A new job? No, it's like the next part of being a lawyer. Like, yeah, you have to get the training contract, which is like how you train, and that's like 2 years. So she's just started that. So you have to like go. It's like a new department. You do like a new department every 6 months. So yeah, she's just starting that. So that'll be fun. Oh yeah, I was on YouTube yesterday. I come across my brother's videos. He's like narrating, but he sounds really good. I was like, oh my god, this is cool. Is it on here? Yeah, he started narrating.
Alright, boys, so at the
Dr. Dollar.
account flip to 8K account.
So yeah, just waiting for our levels to go, just like we've been doing for fucking 3 years. Looking at where you'd want to get a nice push and wait for them to come. Today is actually much easier. As I've said recently, it's actually been hard to find where I actually want to take trades, but today is actually pretty easy. I like the zones I'm in. Much easier. No W's from now on? No, I will get W's and M's from different supports as well if they react off them, yeah. So like for example, if we come here 1940, get a nice W maybe 1948 as well, M's. But there haven't been many recently, to be honest. I haven't struggled to find them. But now coming into September months, there's much more going on. Yeah. Friday. Look at that. Look at GJ, man. 5 minutes looking a little bit sour. Yeah, what happened on Friday? Yeah, 12:30 some news came out and GJ retraced the whole way. That was nice though, man. I mean, I actually quite like the Don trade I think he took here was nice because again he knows, just like I've spotted out, that 53 is a big resistance level, so you know you should get some sort of reaction from that anyway, and if it doesn't then yeah, you can just manage and cut out when it starts pushing again, but realistically that's only what, another like 20 pips or something. It's good reaction. Yeah, I like that one. That was good. That was good. So we'll have to see. But yeah, normally a bank holiday is lack of volume. Sometimes it's alright. Every so often there's one that actually, you know, there's maybe 1 or 2 trades, but not much. That's the issue.
Good morning.
Good morning, Dennis, brother.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you, bro?
Yeah.
A nice
Finally,
weekend?
Yeah, I had a nice weekend. A relaxing weekend, but it was okay.
I had a relaxing weekend as well, actually.
Uh,
Played some
yeah?
nice golf.
Uh,
Golf.
and how is your swing?
Yeah, it's actually good. You know, I was getting in some good shots. Actually, I was pretty happy with it.
Oh, good.
My sandwich was doing really well. The sandwich golf club, I was really doing well with it. I was very happy.
You bought new ones, or?
No, just my older ones. But I just like there's an issue that I kept on getting. I couldn't really use the sandwich very well and getting it very high. But this time I was getting them really good, so I was well happy with that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Nice.
It is much better when you can actually play it like a little bit.
Yeah.
Even when like when you're with a group of people, they hit one shot and it's already near the hole, and I'm bloody ages away, like whacking it at a tree. It's like annoying. You can't really play with your mates. You gotta get to a level where it's actually enjoyable. So that was good last time.
Yeah, nice.
It's very nice. How's the weather over there?
Yeah, nice. With a little bit sunny at the moment.
It's starting to get sunny now. I think this week's gonna be sunny. I think.
Yeah, it's getting better because it's getting. Wait. Today 26, tomorrow 28, then 29, 28, 27. Yeah. So it's a good week.
It's exactly the same as us.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got 27 today, 25, 27, 28. Yeah.
It's just a few miles between your house and mine.
Very close.
Yes.
It's funny though how the weather's just got maybe a little bit better in September. I think, what? No. So yeah, there is a US bank holiday today, which means things may maybe a little bit slower. So we won't do NY today, but we'll see if London has anything. Yeah? Okay. 2 seconds. Just say goodbye to Caitlin. 2 minutes.
You?
Right, so London Open right now. Looking like the hourly had no top wick. Yeah, it was still away. Got quite a lot of resistance here on GJ. See you later, alligator. Have fun. It's 14 here, East UK morning. It's so funny how it just wasn't sunny really at all in the actual summer. Now it's September. It's getting a little bit more. But I don't mind. The winter months are fun. Get everything nice and cozy. Get all candles on.
You being romantic again?
Yeah, I've got candles and incense on all the time now. Love the incense.
Oh, you freak of nature.
Nico.
How are you? How are you, both of you?
Good, good.
Great.
How are you?
Bro, I have a story to tell.
Okay.
You've had a what?
So yesterday, I tried mushrooms for the first time.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So I was chilling, and then my friend called me and said, "Let's work out." I was like, "Okay, that's interesting. Work out on mushrooms." So we went to work out, and then he came with the idea, "Let's go for a jog, fam." I was running, and all of the fucking trees were breathing. I can't explain to you.
Oh my god.
Like breathing, bro. It was probably the sickest, most insane experience I had, because it was like we were on a run and it was hard as shit because we already worked out, and I just like kept talking. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not even tired. I just kept talking shit the whole time for it. And then when we were about to finish the round we were gonna do, the bridge that we were supposed to go over was closed, so we had to run even further. Hey, bro. And then when we finally got there, bro, I felt so accomplished. I was like, yes.
Bet.
High the whole day.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you've only just done it.
Bro, I was doing dips, and I made like the video on my Snapchat, and then I looked at my body and like everything was shaking. I couldn't even look at my phone. I got dizzy from it.
No.
That's great. Great success. There you go, nice little London push. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, London Open's actually brought in a little bit of volume, which is nice.
About time.
Bad time.
I thought we were gonna keep dropping down and go back. I switched to staying here.
Yeah, it's bank holiday today, bro. US bank holiday. So
I didn't know.
yeah, neither did I until just before. So yeah, US is gonna be slow today if we leave it.
Oh, we broke previous daily highs on GJ.
I need it above 647 and then we can start looking, I think.
647.
To be fair, there's a fake out on the hourly there, but still, you can still get like 10 pips out of that. Yeah, let's look at the 30. I suppose there is a fake out there. Maybe a little bit higher above, maybe 700.
I'm going to get out of this sound, man.
Yeah, I actually maybe want it a little bit higher up, you know. Yeah, like 750. I want it above that fake on this hourly. And 750 is quite a hard level to break as well, yeah. And I can go to 900, 185 flat, and then, yeah, 185, 250. Very nice. Do. So we'll see. I wonder if Elohe bought an Asian again at 1940. He had some great trades last week.
Yeah, man. I'm so happy I joined this group. Just also the fact that I met that guy.
Yeah, sir. What a G.
Yeah. This hourly salary is good too, the 50%. But the bank, why the fuck did you have to tell me it was bank?
I know. That rejection. That was a good push. They always are those salaries. Yeah, they push nice.
I love salaries. There was something I had to take like every day.
Yeah, salary.
A 30-minute salary.
Yeah.
With a wig. Ooh.
Yeah.
5 pip stops.
Yeah,
60
exactly. The thing is, you
targets.
use current candle. Like current candle tends to work quite well. So you can get such tight stops.
Bank holiday.
Have a
Why
great
is
week,
it
Max.
bank
Cheers, calm effects. Hope you're doing well, brother.
Why is it bank holiday? What's the holiday?
Some Labour thing. Labour.
Labor, go back to work, man.
Labor Day. Get your ass to work.
People want to take holidays, man. I haven't taken a holiday in 2 years.
I mean, you live on holiday. Amsterdam is a holiday, bruh.
It's what you think until you park your car and have to pay €7.50 to keep it there for an hour.
It's unbelievable. Huh?
What the fuck is that, bro? What the hell? I went to go get the fucking mushroom yesterday, bro. €7.50 an hour.
Yeah, that's a lot. To be fair, my mum and dad paid for a car park next to here yesterday, and that was, I think they paid 15 for 4 hours. So yeah, it's half. It's still quite a lot.
Even that, 15 for 4 hours. What the fucking just for putting a car in a place.
Yeah,
It's not like some...
And they had 2 cars as well. It was 30 quid to see me. Oh my god.
In our place at the moment, I think it's around €2 each hour.
Wow.
That's better.
Yeah, that's not bad.
They want to make Amsterdam car free.
Yeah.
But I can see that, to be honest. Like, you know, yeah, I can see that. What's it called? When I went, there was so many bikes everywhere. So yeah, you can actually see this being no car city. To be fair.
Fucking hate bikes.
Yeah.
There's no way you can look cool on the bike. Only they have these electric ones. Those are pretty cool.
Especially in the future when you have to wear a helmet. So you can wear your pink helmet in the red zone. Or in the blue zone. What was it?
Probably gonna make you wear a helmet with a rainbow.
Yeah.
If you don't do it, you don't support homosexuality.
Yeah.
Morning, Maxi boy. Morning, Daniel. Hope you're doing well, my man. Yeah.
PJ is flying.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Tell me.
It's nice. London Open's been aggressive recently.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good signs. Man, the amount of times, like, 2 years ago, every single 8 o'clock I'll have a trade at least, really. Nice push.
Push.
Yeah. And the good thing is they get all coverage, right? Because if you get nice pushes, here, then when you obviously, come around and back down again, you also get a nice push as well. So it's like it's good when there's clean zones, clean candles. Much nicer.
Yeah.
Baby is on the way, that's why he's romantic. Oh my god. No baby on the way.
No?
I think he's saying to me, you're gonna say goodbye to Caitlin.
Max, you got a baby on the way.
No.
Yes? No?
No.
Let me be the godfather.
Yeah.
Bro, believe me, you want me as the godfather to your children. I'm very responsible.
No.
You feed him shrooms as a baby.
Yeah. Eat your mushrooms, boy.
Yeah, come on, get your vitamin A.
Bro, my kid is gonna be fucking doing all the sports. Bro, that was probably like the funnest times of my life, like just doing sports.
Yeah. Gives you good qualities as well. Good communication skills. Yeah, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's worth it.
What is going on right here?
Yeah, this goal's moving very slow already.
Yeah.
But yeah, GJ. I think also gold as well. The issue with gold, like we were saying before with Andrew, is it's squeezing from the upside here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's already rejected, so it's kind of in limbo. But then again, you know there's going to be resistance around like these areas here, which are struggling to break. But we've also got a big support in 1940 there, so it's kind of just in that little zone.
Black. Bro, did you watch that Andrew Tate thing that I sent you?
No, I haven't actually seen.
Whoa.
much
Oh,
yet.
what the fuck?
What, the BBC thing?
Yeah.
What did it show?
Bro, it's mad. It's like, it's really like breaking down the fact that what's this called? What's this group called? War Room.
Yeah.
That they were teaching how to get girls into doing webcamming and serving them, actually. Yeah, man. It was one of the favorites. And there's this Jewish guy, which is the head of the war room, and they followed him and they like started interrogating him on the streets, and he just ignored everything. Yeah.
Interesting.
Cool.
Yeah, look, this is my brother. He keeps on making these little like lore things with that game that I play. I was like, so I saw it. I was like, oh, this looks cool. I'm gonna watch this. Didn't even know it was my brother. And I was like, listening.
To the
like,
first
that is
of
my
a
brother.
long series of Lore Master videos.
He's got a good
This is going to
narrator's
be my
voice.
first video, so it might be a bit shit. However,
But I love his thumbnails. So thumbnails are nice.
Yeah, and it has like a nice, has the music in the background goes through
snap
like
him so he could
lore of the
all
characters and stuff.
and enjoy. His father thought he was a
Yeah, that's cool.
He's a storyteller.
Yeah, he's just telling the stories. But actually, I'm quite interested because I play that game. It's that Dead by Daylight game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how much views does he have?
Nah, nothing. Like 14, 6, 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it's getting there.
Yeah, exactly. Just gotta post, gotta find it somehow. Yeah, one of my mates in the building was like had to film a video. He's like apparently trying to get a grant off the government or something. And he's like, I didn't know how hard it was to film a video and like, how many takes you have to do and like yeah, it's a ball ache. Like you gotta not stutter, gotta like if you make like a script to read off, it's much harder. That's why I just wing it me. Like when I just did videos, like yeah, I'll just mess around with it. I actually haven't looked at my videos in ages. Where am I? My older ones. Look at my skin. How bad my skin there? Holy shit.
Chill with the family for a bit, and then
What the fuck was my charts there? Oh my god! Look at the grids. Ugh.
Damn. That looks like some average trader.
I don't know at uni about this stuff. I have other ones at uni.
Well, it's yeah.
Back to my channel.
That was my uni house. Oh, I love this house.
This is a Sunday night. I wanted to just give you a bit of a
Uni
breakdown
house?
last week.
Oh.
Yeah,
okay.
when I was at
That's
university.
Because we always look left.
That's sick.
Frame. I don't like going in. Back
Did you have debt from uni?
Yeah. Yeah, I think you can check, can't you? I actually need to check that. How can you check? Thing is though, it's yeah, I mean in the UK it's kind of done in a different way. Like the interest is so high on it that you can never really pay it off unless you make like a shitload.
Yeah.
So a lot of people actually never pay it off.
I think our interest is like 2%.
Ours is 9. So sorry. I don't know how much the interest is, but we pay 9% of everything over like 24 grand or something. something like that. Yeah, it's the siding. Okay. In what time was your first job?
Okay.
£250 away from my FTMO verification 1. Very nice, Daniel. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Was anyone in the group been affected by that MFF? Who's had some issues? I always was a bit cautious MFF. I don't know. The spread thing kind of got me. The spread was bad. The slippage was bad. And it turns out they were doing it on purpose. Little shit. Yeah, I wanna. Oh shit, MFF. CTP? No. Oh yeah, I know Lindsay had it in the thing.
It says Traders Global uses software to stack the odds against customers.
That's so rough.
They use specialized software to automatically add delay.
So how do people know this? How do governments know like they did this and they said this? There must be someone who's left it. Do you think it's like someone who left the company is like slagged them off and said I've got shit on them?
Slippage to customers' orders. Okay, and it adds a delay, right? So if you want to enter a trade, it can trigger it on delay on purpose, right? And you know that messes up your R, that messes up your trade. It just messes up everything for you. Okay, they put slippage in quotes because if you notice, regular brokers don't really have slippage, right? But it does say for most successful customers, Traders Global sends their orders to an overseas dealer and imposes an additional spread. That's crazy, right? This is crazy. This is literally insane. You know, it says they had over 24,000 customers with live trading accounts at a certain point in time. That's a lot of people that you're scamming, man. This is
24,000. Holy shit.
The evidence states that
24,000. That's a lot of people, man. Yeah, I remember when like the fun of things came about, and I was looking at it, I was like, oh, like it makes sense, like, you know, if they get good traders and stuff, like, and they give them their own money, you know, and they pass it all, then they'll be making money. It kind of makes sense. It goes hand in hand. But when I realized it wasn't that, I'm like, oh yeah, that's rough. It's not good that the clientele you're using, you don't want them to win. It's like, yeah, that's when I had an issue with it. So, looking like it's going to play out that little celery. How much would you have got out of that there? 9 pips, not much. 9 pepperoonies. Yeah, we had to go retest 42.
I think that's the somewhere around that area, because if you're looking on the high time frames on the daily, where also very bullish. I think because you're Can I? Can you hold this? Because we have a low, a high, high, low, high, high. Somewhere he has to put around. Yeah, I think around this area. Yes. To make from here, he has to make a newer higher high.
Yeah. Yes, it's just.
So I think, yeah, I hope it plays out. So I think to get maybe to place a buy order around this area.
Yeah. I see that. Very nice.
And because we're still squeezing. You have this trend line, and yes, this one, and yeah.
Gonna pop one way.
Yeah, it could also break here, and go down again, and then go up, but yeah. At the moment, it's still bullish, so.
Yeah.
And this is a big support.
Yeah, it's huge.
So. Yeah, I'm guessing we'll try to take a buy there.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
Oh, good. And it's still above the, I think. Yeah, I'm still above the 50. No, I think the 50 is somewhere here, I think.
Yeah.
Can you draw down the 50? Can you draw down? Oh, yeah, I didn't see it, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I have to put on my glasses. Oh my gosh. I'm getting old. Oh. No.
Yeah, so my student loan, I've just got it, 47,000. Fucking hell, that's a lot. Your interest is 7%. Yeah, it's a lot.
The study loan. Oh my gosh. I'm glad I don't have one. I never went to school, so no.
Some monthly income. Okay. Interesting. So 47, trying to think, 19, 27, yeah. 827, and then 4812, yeah, okay, that's right. That's messed up. What degree? Massive finance. So that's actually quite a light one. So the highest, people with on the highest student loans would have got, well, 27, and then another 927. Yeah, like 56 grand, 60 grand.
You guys have to grab a cup of coffee.
All good. Get a nice coffee.
Was
that for 4 years? No, 3. If you have a good grade in your country, the government is not paying for it. I paid 0. Wow. No, we have to pay, man. Everyone has to pay. Wow, Phil, that worked pretty nice, eh? Very good. So that's interesting. I didn't. Yeah, I thought I might have paid some of it off. Maybe not. Whatever. I love. Have you seen Messi's bodyguard? Oh my god, it's great. He just watches him the whole game. It's great. Wow, look at this fucking monster. The issue you have, I suppose, is your stop spot. 25 pips. It's not bad. Strong, strong candle. Okay, so it's a nice closure. Nice closure. 15-minute would be the stop, so it's like 23 pips. It's 50 pips though above, which is not bad. Actually, have you ever considered stacking trades? Nah, too risky. Nah. Risque. So yeah, I think what I'd probably want here is, think to the left hand side, what happened? Well, I kind of wanted the lower wick of this new 30-minute to go to, well, where? Well, look to the left hand side, probably around here. Because if you actually look to the left hand side every single other time, we've bounced off support and resistance there. So I think a nice low to 6.55, then a reflip. I think I'd take the buy. So waiting for it to go down, and then I'm gonna buy here. Yeah, I also think as well, I just don't have the best luck in this at the moment in terms of trading. And if you actually look at just a couple of Don's trades, I mean, even if you go back in like December, he was like -70 in drawdown, missed his stops by a couple pips, and then went to 100 grand. It's like, so the difference there is just mind-boggling. And I know I don't have luck like that. Or like before, he was 4 pips from losing like 70 grand. And then it worked out. It's literally 4 pips from stop. It's like, oh, that's fine margins. Fine ass margins. Yeah, I don't really do anything, so just gonna wait out here. It's gonna be 2 minutes. Go to the toilet.
I'm back again. No.
Huh?
Bye bye. I see ya. Hi, Andrea. How is your ambrosia?
Does Dennis have an Instagram account? I think he does. You got a crypto one? I think maybe. I've seen it.
Yeah. Who's asking for my Instagram account?
Matteo, someone on YouTube. It's similar to Ted's trades when... Wait, what? Stop losses are a big reason why people get turned into liquidity. That was perhaps not 300 pips. 4, I might be retesting the zone. Yeah, so I want this GJ, as I said, to make a lower wick to 655 because that's where we bounced off before. So it's very likely we're gonna go there. Then when we reflip, I think I'll get in. And if you look on the lower time frame, does that make sense? Well, yeah, we've broken above here in the 5 minute. We haven't retested to then continue. So it makes sense on the 5 minute as well. So those little things can help you like not get in too quickly. Like if you know like what we've discussed for recent times, when price breaks out of a zone, it loves to go retest. So just an example here, right? Price is broken. Yeah, so like just an example here. Price is broken above here. Okay, above like this area. And guess what it did? It came back and retested. Okay, price broke above here, retested. We haven't retested this one. Sorry, yeah, prices came up, retested, and then if you look here, prices pushed up, hasn't retested. So again, if you get in now here and your stop loss is there, you're in a shit situation because you know that it realistically should go retest first. So the best thing to do is wait for it to retest, then go get the push, then get in on the flip. And if you actually see all the time, it always does it. Like if you look here, I mean, you could do like 1500 here, right? Broke, retested, broke, retested. Loves to go and take price back out. Broke, retest, broke, retest.
Stay safe, John.
I'm out. Stay safe. So to see you tomorrow. See you later, Scarlett. Yeah, take it easy today. Should be all good with this US having no volume.
Matteo Boop.
You might not be able to put the link on, but you can send me it and I can put it on the chat.
Can I put my Instagram account in?
Yeah,
chat.
Do it in the Zoom chat because it won't come up as a link on YouTube unless I do it.
In the Zoom chat? Okay.
Yeah.
I will put it in and you can show it. Never the crypto map man.
Like that.
I'm not so active on my. I had a personal account, but also Facebook. But I think 3 months ago, I got hacked.
Oh.
And they ripped 750 euros off my credit card because
Really?
my credit card was So I get the money back from the bank.
Thank God.
So that is good. But yeah, I lost my Instagram and Facebook account, so I have to make a new one. So I have at the moment one post of a live stream tonight. Tonight I'm gonna give a live stream about crypto. That's
beautiful.
Yeah, nice. It's funny.
Very, very nice. So yeah, we haven't really made much of a little wiki on GJ, so... And actually, another thing, like we just discussed before, we broke here, we haven't retested, so that's doing that now, so I'd rather not get in when it's retested, rather come down a bit more and then re-break.
I had a late entry on Euro USD.
the Euro USD.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, USD. A lot of people like trading that. I see it's enjoyable.
Yeah, but normally it's not my standard or so. Normally I only GJ and Goldie, but sometimes.
Wow. Well, GJ went.
Yeah.
No
Really nice.
Nice push. It
was really if you got in here on the retest of the 50% Asian.
Yeah.
It was, oh my gosh. He had a really nice.
Good.
Yeah. Really nice trade.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very, very nice.
Goldie.
Goldie. So in gold buy since 1943. Oh, you just got in? Gold buys? Ooh.
No.
My only issue is you're not really, I mean, there's a little bit of support there, but you're kind of below that now. It's very light. It's probably going to come down to here.
Yeah. Yeah, me too. And he already tested this area.
Yeah.
See? Retested this area, so it's going down.
Yeah.
And then maybe here we can go up, but
yeah. So yeah, again, like literally what we just discussed before, right? Book below here needs to go retest to then continue.
Yeah, and maybe wait for here for a W.
Yep. So once you start knowing that, like recently we've been looking at a lot. It's much easier to see, like, do I want to get in or not? Yeah, like it's nice to see. So obviously now, like this is pushed up amazing, but again, it still needs to at some point go back and retest. So I don't want to be getting in now. I must stop being 20 pips away and getting slapped when realistically we need a retracement. But there is a probability that it can just continue without low wicks or anything, and that's fine. But it makes it very hard to get in. Because again, you know, if you look at it overall, right, it's overextended in terms of the push, right? We haven't had any sort of retracement, so you don't want to get caught in the high of the part. You'd rather wait for it to come back down and then get it maybe later on. Yeah, I was thinking, people in the mentorship, if any of you want to get into maybe some live streaming or some kind of stuff, because I know there's some good traders here who can maybe want to do that. I can happily do some sessions and see how it goes. Try out. I could use my platform for it as well, and good fun. Oh, that Holberg. That's a pen, that. He's grabbing him. god. Oh my god, GJ, man. Look at them, no lower wicks, bruh. Nice, the 908 was a line that I said you could potentially take some off because look to the left, we had resistance here before. And also, what's the other thing, right? Where are you coming towards? What do you think, right? We're at 184,900. What do you guys think? You got resistance to the left. But what also is maybe there approaching? Yes, John. Psychological level 185. So that's when you can start to add some things together and go, you know what? We're coming towards 185. We haven't had a retest. I've got no lower wick. It's probably my time to take some here. Because there's a lot of probabilities there that it's going to retrace at some point. And you don't want to, you want to maximize your profits, so. And there's other things as well, like start to be maybe a little bit more fluid of how you want to get a retest. Sorry, how runners work. Like for example, if you've got a runner, and if you've got a runner like here, right, that was your entry and it's running, that's all good, right? Because again, price is to go retest, but realistically it shouldn't break this low or then it'll be changing structure, so you're good. Whereas if you've got an entry here, the probability that your runner continues without you getting stopped out is pretty low. It's got to go retest at some point. So therefore you might just close full on this one. But if you're down here, you can maybe hold. So it's kind of using that as knowledge. Days like today for GJ always threw me off because it's either you get in and get the pullback or you don't enter it, go straight up. Yeah. Yeah. It's good though. Good to see some volume at 8 o'clock. Like, it was nice. Again though, where did that volume come from? It wasn't anything I could have got in here, right? We had resistance to the left hand side here. We didn't close above until this one, which we traced quite a lot. And the candles that I was working with before were clearly not nice. So again, it's just getting out of that summertime where it ranges for ages and then launches and you can't get in. It's like, yeah, whatever. It is how it is. Yeah. I was thinking, Andrea, you should have a go at live streaming. You're a good teacher and you're just too busy, aren't you? Yeah, it's hard work, man. But yeah, even Dennis, if you ever want to have a go, just message me and we'll get it sorted up. You can try it out. You can make your little thing. You teach well. I'm doing it in the group for the members, but I'll never do it for YouTube. I'll start a group myself. Yeah. There we go, look at that. I love draw my lines and they hold. Very nice. So yeah, I think, a tracement is probably needed now. And where's it going to be? It's going to be probably here. So I can get rid of this now. So what I'm probably going to do now is draw my lines on just like I did last week. And wait for this to happen. Because to the left hand side, this is what happened before. We worked down back here, then we continued. So that's really where we should retest. And that makes sense in the 5 as well. Everything is so choppy. Nah, Goldie had a little push there, but it's bank holiday. I think GJ is not choppy. It's pretty easy there. It was pushed up very nicely. But again, it was just, yeah, before we started pushing off, there was not really much to go up across, you know.
Good.
So tomorrow looks okay as well. So too much going on. So service PMI. The rates for CAD at 3 o'clock on Wednesday. CAD's such boring news. I think I said that before. It's fucking boring. Doesn't really do anything. Unemployment claims. So regular occurrence and then Friday. Yeah, this week's pretty dead in terms of news. Oh my god, what's all this? School buildings. Oh yes, it's the concrete. Yeah, it's this. I think I saw this video somewhere. So the concrete made by the school.
So this is reinforced, autoclaved, aerated concrete, which to put another way looks a bit like a certain type of chocolate bar. Very, very small holes that is designed to be light, easy to mould, and was extremely popular in public building projects after the war. But there's, we now know, a major problem with this stuff, and it's this. It can crumble, just like that.
Oh my god.
Experts say another problem is that these little holes allow the water to get into the concrete.
Yeah.
And any rebar, this sort of stuff, reinforced steel that's holding a building together, can easily decay. It's also very hard to spot that decay with this type of concrete. And that's really at the heart of what the problem schools are dealing with right now is.
Oof. Oh yeah, you see this? The meteor strike. Holy. Look at this. Oh my god! Like, what the fuck is that? Imagine that, you just park it. What the hell is that? Wow. Huge. Whoa. Yeah, I've seen the Burning Man's wet. The whole desert's wet. Thor entering the atmosphere. Yeah. So yeah, the reason why I put this line on here is where I wanted to go break even, because again, look to the left hand side. Get your arrow out. There was support held here, support held here, resistance held there, support held there, resistance held there. Okay, you can start to see it's pointing at a line, right? Look to the left hand side, more of the same thing. So again, just for little pointers for like getting breakouts into new zones. If you know that there's been a little bit of an issue here before, it may do the same thing again. So if you take the buy, make sure you either break even or taking positions off when you come to that high, because from past data it's been respected before. Okay, so a massive thing is, if you're taking a trade, please try not to look too much about the R to R. Just get the trade and get the trade to where it needs to go. And in this example, it was there. If that's a 0.7 R to R, not a 1, who gives a shit? It's where price is gonna probably get to. And then it may have some issues, and then maybe bounce back up later on.
How's your coffee?
I don't like coffee. Oh, it's nice and cold now. Put that back on. I bet that's a weird sensation at that festival there. Like, it's wet sand. Oh, that'd be awful.
Early entry to this festival was delayed because of the remnants of Hurricane Hillary, and now, after 24 hours of rain, it has been turned into a muddy morass.
Oh my God!
To leave the end of the Burning Man festival, that has left tens of thousands of people mired in mud. The organisers are urging people to
conserve sand,
water,
wet sand.
fuel, and
oh my gosh!
food, because they could be stuck here for several days. The motto of Burning Man is radical self-reliance, and many people here
it's a shame
that this is being put to the test right now in conditions that very few people here can remember for quite some time.
Yeah, like, when has it ever rained in that desert, I bet? Every single time I see it, it looks dry as hell. Dum 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 dum. So there we go, maybe a little bit of a relax. The owlie just closed. Yeah, it's okay. Still respecting this resistance. So again, all you gotta wait for is exactly what it did before, right? You can see here. But yeah, I think that's just today done. I mean, later on we'll check. We'll see if there's any volume later on. But again, it is bank holiday for US, so don't expect too much. But what I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna put an alert on here, just so I know if it does retrace, we can then start looking for the buys, and that's what I'll look for today. Like that maybe. Wicked. So I'm gonna wait for the retracement. If it comes back on maybe at 9:30, then I might start the stream again for it. But that's what I'm gonna wait for. Anything else though? Yeah, Goldie is just ranging, and again, it's at this breaking point, but there's no volume today because it's bank holiday. So yeah, we'll wait on. We'll talk in the group about the 650 retest, but for the most part, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. So see you guys later. Stay safe. See you later, Dennis. Lovely seeing you as usual. See you later, Andrea.
Yes.
Take
See
it
ya.
easy today. Peace out. Peace out. Adios. Adios. Have a great rest of your day. Adios.
Okay,
Adios.
later.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out. Adios.